in Sydney, more and more people are being educated about what Malaysian food is and how it should taste like. So for us, if you want a big punch in taste, in spice, saltiness, then yeah, come to Ho Jiak Haymarket.
And with flavours like that on offer, how could Coco and Vine resist an invitation like that?
In Malaysia, we've got Chinese, Malay, and Indian. And from the size of me, I love all sorts of food. So you're gonna find Rendang, which is, Malay dominant, Koay Teow, or Chow Fan, which is Chinese dominant, like Nasi Lemak and stuff like that, which is also gonna be Indian dominant. So I'm trying to bring all types of food from Malaysia, the ones that influence me.
And every one of those distinctly Malaysian tastes come through in chefs' incredible dishes. So I guess all that's left to do now is to fight each other for the last bite.